This is HSK Tangirala, Director, Institute of Cooperative Management, Rajendra Hyderabad. Today we are going to discuss about the service cooperative societies. The examples of the service cooperative societies are hotels, tourism and hospitals, etc. Now we are going to discuss exactly what are the service cooperative societies. What is exactly is the definition. The service cooperative societies may be defined as a voluntary organization of workers, producers, consumers to assure sufficient market for their producers, for their products, for their services, for their input for uninterrupted production, for the required number of days of employment, quality to consumers, goods, remunerative prices, capacity enhancement among the members by optimum use of the natural resources. Now we are going to discuss about the hotel cooperative societies. It is a case study of the Indian Coffee House. This Indian coffee, before we discuss about this Indian Coffee House, earlier there was a Indian Coffee Board was there in 1942. After that, the government has decided to retrench some of their employees of the loss making units. Then what happened is the workers were approached the A.K. Gopalan, A.K. Gopalan sir, who is a communist party leader, who is a comrade, and then discussed. Then AKG has pulled all these employees and then brought to the notice of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. After that, the AKG has united all these people, and then there was a MOU between the Indian Coffee Board and the Workers Society, that is Indian Coffee House. And then the agreement also took place between the Indian Coffee Board and then Indian Coffee House. Okay, then the Indian Coffee House was first commenced at New Delhi at Connaught Place, and after that gradually it has taken place at Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Lucknow, Jabalpur, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai and Puducherry, etc. In 1958, February 10th, the first cooperative society was started in Kerala and started functioning. And this is actually with the 53 units, it has started doing in the southern part of the Kerala. After that, it has started on the 7th July 1958 at Kannur with 21 units. There is a peculiarities are there in case of the membership of this particular cooperative societies. They have to, all the members of the cooperative societies, or even though it is voluntary, all the members will have to be introduced by the existing employees. And all members are the employees, and all members are the employees of this particular cooperative society. And now we will also will see the workers' participation. The workers' participation is something a different one. They have to start their work at a grassroots level. The seniority and promotion is based on the educational qualification, and the seniority is concerned. There is a letter based, you can see here. And then all employees will have to start their job at a low level, and that is at a schooling section. Even the senior people also will have to start at the base level. There are the 5 departments are there in this particular Indian coffee houses, and one is counter section, coffee section, service section, pantry section, and another is benefits to the employees. Now you can see the counter department is concerned. There is a counter, you can see here, and then there is a coffee section. Coffee will be served to all the customers. Service section, there well dressed people are there, and then neatly it will be served to all the customers. Pantry section, nice vegetables, tasty vegetables, delicious vegetables, it will be clean, and then it will be cooked properly, and it will be supplied to the customers. Next department is this is known as the benefits to its members or employees. The allowances are medical allowance, festival allowance, tour allowance, educational allowance, fire allowance, uniform allowance, pension allowance. Likewise, there are the many other allowances are given to the employees. There are the certain signboards are there that you can see. And Indian Coffee Workers Cooperative Society. This is a Jabalpur. This is a Calcutta signboard. This is a coffee house at the Jabalpur. And this is the menu card. Menu will be given. Menu card will not be given. However, the items and the price will be listed very clearly, which can be easily visible to every customer. There is a cleaning. This is some of the photographs. Any questions, please? Thank you.